this is Jonalyne Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make 3 types of leis. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. First, we're going to make the yarn lei. Basically, all you need is yarn. And what you're going to do with it is take the piece of yarn, put it between your thumb and pointer finger, and just wrap it around your fingers like so. And make sure you put the piece of string above where you just wrapped around and just weave it through your fingers like this and repeat that, but make sure you're still holding that piece of string with your thumb. So you're just going to repeat it, wrap around, and once you do about 3 weaves, then you just pull and your leis should be forming. It should look something like this after like 10 times going around. So I normally make it around 40 inches long, and once you're done, you're just gonna cut off the excess, and to end it off, you're just gonna weave it through like this, through all 4 fingers. And once you're done, you just take it off of your fingers, take that string and pull. And that's basically it. You just tie a bow to cut off the excess, and there you have your yarn lei. Now we're going to make ribbon leis. So basically all you need is 2 ribbons. Over here I got 18 feet by 3 by 8 inches. So you're going to take 2 of the ribbons and tie them together. With the 2 ribbons, make bunny ears and put one of the ears inside the other and pull. Then make another bunny ear and put it through the other bunny ear and pull again. And then you're just going to repeat that, make another bunny ear, pull, and then make another bunny ear and pull. So you're just going to keep on repeating that until you get your full ribbon lei. And again, I make mine's about 40 inches long. I just used up the whole ribbon. And to end it off, just take it out, tie it, and tie the 2 ends together. And there you have your ribbon lei. Now we're going to make a yarn / ribbon lei. You're going to need ribbon, yarn, tape, and a straw. What you're going to do with the straw is you're going to put the ribbon through the straw. And once it comes out the other end, you're just going to tape it down. So it should look something like this with the ribbon sticking out. Now you're just going to take your yarn and tie it around the straw and just start wrapping it around. So just keep wrapping it around, pushing it down, wrapping around, pushing it down, and it should look something like this. Once you have something forming like this, then you can push it down more to the ribbon, and this is where your leis starts to form. So just keep doing that over and over again. So it should look something like this. It's getting pretty long, and you just keep pushing it down more and more into the ribbon. And once you're done, just take the ribbon out of the straw, tie the yarn and the ribbon together, and cut off the excess, then tie the 2 ends together. And there you have your yarn / ribbon lei.